Hello girls, we're gonna do Easter makeup today. So I started from base spray for preparing our skin to foundation. After that I use cream. It's my usually cream that I use for a daily basis. I moisturize my face smoothly, like doing like these movements. When my skin fully prepared, I use foundation. You don't have to use not much foundation for Easter makeup. That's because it's more natural. So I'm using a little bit of foundation. So I'm aligning my face tone. In fact, your full makeup depends on your foundation. So you have to apply foundation in the same color to ensure that it stays away. You should mostly use matte foundation. That's longer lasting. The next step is blushing my face. I like this step because it makes my makeup more natural. So more blush for Easter makeup. Blush on my nose. I use blush with highlighter and I use highlighter for my full face. It's more summer makeup. So the next step is using contouring. I use dry contour. You can repeat after me, like doing these movements. So I'm using powder to my face to put away these shines that next to my nose. It hadn't to be there. Don't forget to contour your nose. Contour your nose near to your eyes. Continue your eyebrows to your nose. I'm using highlighter to my nose. You have to use highlighter to inner parts of your eyes. Upper lines of the lips. Under. I just brushed my eyebrows. My eyebrows fully had form. So I started put eyeshadow on my eyes. Just repeat after me. It's more likely Easter makeup, so I use more orange or brown eyeshadows. Some more shiny you can use. I put more darker eyeshadows to my eyes, near to my eyelashes. I'm using shiny orange glitter on my eyes. It's gold eyeshadow. I'm lining my eyes. I'm using mascara to my eyelashes. My eyelashes are currently so short. I completed my makeup with coloring my lips. This time I used gloss that was a more reddish shade of lipstick. So my makeup is done. If you enjoyed watching this video, please click the like button and subscribe. Thank you very much. Thank you for my girls to watching my videos. I like y'all. Bye.